Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you are well and good. So, in this science, we are going to learn a new lesson. The lesson name is What's the Matter? So, overview of this lesson. In this lesson, we will explore the properties of states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Learn about the changes between the different states of matter. Expected learning outcome. Explain the changes in the state of matter. Why do things around me appear different from one another's? Can you think how the things are different in nature? Can you observe the things? Do you have this question ever? Yes, here's the answer for your question. PEP activity 5.1. We use our sense organs to observe and learn about the world around us. In this activity, we will use them to compare and discuss the futures of some common foods. So they have given some common foods. You should discuss among the shape, color, hardness and smell. So form pairs or collect the following things: one cookie, one piece of apple, one cup of lemon juice and two paper cups. Read the features of cookies, the apple and the lemon juice listed in figure 1. Discuss and write your observation of these foods in the representative column. So see, first you should take cookie, apple and lemon juice. So you have to observe these three things and you should categorize what is the shape of the apple, cookie and lemon juice, color, hardness, smell, taste. So for example, what is the shape of cookie? It's a round shape. What is the shape of an apple? Round shape. What is the shape of lemon juice? Is lemon juice has any shape? No shape. So like that. What is the color of a cookie? The brown color. What is the color of an apple? Red color. And the color of lemon juice is white. So like that you should fill this tabular column: hardness, smell and taste. Next, try to cut the cookie, apple and lemon juice. Which of them could you cut? Write the answer for that. Can we cut the lemon juice? No, na. So which item we can cut? Write the answer for that. Try to pour each of them from one cup to another. Which of these fluids flowed from one cup to another? So you have two cups. No, from that two cups you should make them float. So which item can flow from one cup to another? Write the answer for that. Discuss your observation and answer this question. Among the three food you observe, which two you think are similar in each other? So you have three food items, no? Apple, cookie and lemon. So among this, which two can have similar to each other? So write the answer for that. How are these food similar to each other? So you have told, no, which are the two things that is similar to each other. So write the answer for that. So for example, the cookie and apple are similar to each other because both are hard. How is the third food different from these two? So you are having two similar foods, but the other food is not similar. So you have to write why the food is different from these two foods. Okay, children? So next, there is a key question. What are things made up of? So from the three items we have categorized solid, liquid and gas. Here the solid is an apple and cookie. Both are solid because they have definite shape. We can cut it, that is solid. Liquid is a juice form. that is a milk, a glass of water, and the last one gas. The gas is the air around us, and the oxygen, carbon dioxide are gases. In team, perform an activity to understand the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Now, what do you need? You need a small wood stick, a glass of water, a paper cup, an empty plastic bottle, one plastic bowl, the three balloons of different shapes. So the needed things are one small wooden stick, the glass of water, one paper cup, one empty plastic bottle, one plastic bowl and three balloons. So arrange the container, the paper cup, the plastic bottle and the plastic bowl and balloon in a table. As you perform each step in the activity, the next page we have to listed they have. Steps to be followed. Place a stick in each of the container. Look for any changes in the shape of the stick each time. Try to pour the stick from one container to another container. So you have a stick, no, you have to keep it in water. Is the shape of the stick will change? No, it will not change. So the answer is the does not change. Try to pour the stick from one container to another container. The stick when poured from one container to another container change? No, it will not flow. So the answer is the stick did not flow when poured from one container to another. See this C question. Pour the water into each of the container one after the other. So the water, can we flow the water? The water flowed when poured from one container to another. If you have two water bottles means if the water bottle you can pour from first bottle to second bottle, the water can flow. So the water flowed from one container to another. Look for any change in the shape of the water each time. Suppose if you have the water in a tumbler, the shape of the water is like tumbler. If you have the water in water bottle, the shape of the water bottle look for any change in the shape of water each time. The shape of water changes when poured from one different containers. So if you have a water in a tumbler, it looks like tumbler. If you have water in a water bottle, it looks like the shape of water bottle. So there is a changes in shape of water. So next, take all the three balloons, blow the air into two balloons, draw the shape of the balloon filled with air in the space provided. You have to draw the balloon. The shape of the balloon in the two balloon is the same or not same. So see, if we have heart shaped balloon and round shaped balloon. So if you fill air with two balloons, is both the shape of the balloon is same or different? Different. It will not be a same. The heart balloon have heart color shape and the round balloon is round in shape. So the air does not have the same shape. So the shape of the air in the two balloon is not the same. So here see the state of matter. What are the states of matter we have? Solid, liquid and gas. So for solid have a shape and filling the container can be cut. So give the example vegetable, key and cycle. So you have to write the another examples. Liquid does not have any shape. It occupies the shape of the container. Takes the shape of the container filling it from the bottom. Flow when poured from one container to another. So we can pour the milk or water from one container to another. So the example of juice, oil, milk. So you can write your own other three examples. Gas does not have a shape of its own. So for gas does not have any shape of its own. Spreads to fill the entire container. So if you are blowing the balloon means it will fill the container. It does not have any shape. Cannot be cut or poured. We cannot cut the gas. So examples, air filled in football, air filled in tires. You can write any other two examples of your own. So you have 5.1 activity no. Apple, lemon juice and cookie. From that you should write which two foods did you choose as similar to each other. So what are the foods we have choose similar? Cookie and apple. Did you mention any properties listed as similar between two? Yes. We have mentioned the property. It occupies space. It can be cut. So identify if each food you observed is a solid, liquid or gas. So we have three food items. You should mention whether the food items are solid or liquid or gas. The first one, cookie. The cookie is a solid. An apple is also a solid, and lemon juice is a. So activity 5.4, look beyond. Imagine that you are a gas. Describe one action that would be easier for you to do as a gas. So if you are a gas, what will your wish to do? Suppose I wish if I am a gas, I would go inside the balloon. So we can see the inside part of balloon. Now how can the inside part be? So my wish is that you can write your own wish. What is your wish if you are a gas? Then look around activity. Observe your surrounding and write 5 examples of solid, liquid and gases. Hints, gases are usually found inside solid container. Mention the name of the container under gases. So suppose you have to write the example for solids, liquids and gases. So I can write the example, first one, book for solid and water for liquid and balloons for gases. So you can write your own 5 examples. Okay children. So with that we are closing our class. We have learnt about solid, liquid and gases. So thank you. Bye bye.